Wasn't almost outdoors.
Yeah, I don't have a Westin box. So.
Shut up, he's recording.
I'm gonna leave that in there just because. Yeah.
All right. Today we're installing our Western. Today we're installing our Western 3-inch bars, black, not chrome. We've already pre-installed the passenger side, so we have all the kinks worked out. We have our brackets laid where they go, laid out, bolts laid out. So let's begin.
All right, we're putting these 3-inch round Westin side steps on 2020 Ram 2500. Now, with Todd's luck here, we always are missing parts. So these little plastic retaining clips that keep these from falling down in the body, yeah, he's missing one. All right, so that's why we got all this done and out of the way off camera, so he won't hear the foul language that comes out of this guy's mouth here. All right, so now take all these bolts out. We have it pre-assembled so we don't lose any extra parts. So you got to fish these down inside the body, and these plastic retaining clips will keep it from falling down inside the body so you don't lose it. Because if it goes in there, you are never getting it out.
And it is a good design as long as you get all your plastic clips. Here, I'll take it back out just to show you if you can see it. So this whole bracket fishes inside the hole and around. Then we have to install our plastic clip, which will hold this so it don't drop inside the body, because then there will be a lot of cussing. Possible Dremel tool should cut the body. There it is, it's holding it. Bracket will come over. So we rotate this till we see the bolt hole so that the bracket can bolt up. There you go, and that has that bracket there. All that's left is the nut and washer for the top, right there. And now we'll get our ratchet and we'll tighten these bolts down. And I do go a little crazy on tightening, but nothing's fell off yet that I put on.
Now, Westin does a pretty good job of trying to label everything for you. So if you look right here, it's upside down, but it says DF, that's driver front. The other side is going to say PF for passenger front. All right, so if so facto, process of elimination. If this is the driver front, then the different bracket goes in your rear, okay?
All right, so we're going to tighten this front bracket down because there's enough adjustment here for our bars. We already did the other side, so we know it's going to work out okay. We can make an adjustment and make the bar fit. So we're going to tighten this one down and then move to the back.
All right, so you're going to hear some shop-related noise here, but we're going to use an impact to run this here cab bolt out. And this bracket, labeled D for driver, goes right there. Extra support, all right, so the fat people can get on the front step.
And we're fat.
Yeah, so make sure that thing don't flex not at all, at all.
And Joe puts a nut in there to hold it so that we'll be able to get the nut through to apply the bar. All right. Good job?
Yep.
That's it. All right, we're moving to the back. All right, same as the front. This fish is in, goes in. Got to hold on to it. Apply this little plastic catch here so it don't fall in, because if it falls in, you're in a world of hurt. We got the bracket. We got the plastic tip holding this bolt just in case I drop it. Install your nut and washer and lock washer. I will say Westin did pretty good with this kit. It was pretty easy. The only problem is they shorted me 2 bolts, which I had bolts, so we're okay. All right, I'm leaving this bracket a little loose in the back in case I need a little bit of adjustment, because I've already tightened the front one, which has adjustment also with it, but passenger side went on pretty easy, so we're hoping this one does here. So all you do is apply the bar, put the nut from the back side to attach it. After we attach the bar, I will tighten this bracket up here underneath tight, because I know that the adjustment is correct. And then we'll tighten up the bar, and that should be the end of the installation. I'm sure there's certain torque specifications, but this is Todd's specifications.
Just before the bolt breaks.
All right.
And that concludes our installation of the Westin 3-inch round side steps on 2020 Ram 2500. Now go out and enjoy your truck. Now don't forget, if you have a Ram, the only thing you should be pulling out is your tow mirrors.